Good morning, Fatima. Are you ready for today's special class?
Good morning, sir. Yes, I'm ready. What's special about today?
Today, we're going to focus on speaking English. It's a practice day where we'll have fun conversations and activities entirely in English.
That sounds exciting, sir. I'll try my best.
Don't worry about mistakes, Fatima. Remember, practice is how we learn. Let's start with a simple question. Tell me about your favorite food. What do you like to eat and why?
My favorite food is biryani because it's so tasty and has lots of spices. I love the smell and how it looks colorful with rice and chicken.
That's a great answer, Fatima. You described it so well. Now, let's try to expand it. You can add how often you eat it or who makes the best biryani in your family.
Okay, sir. I eat biryani on special occasions, like Eid or birthdays. My mom makes the best biryani. It's so delicious.
Excellent, Fatima. That's how you expand your sentences. The more details you add, the more interesting your answer becomes.
Faruk Sir stands up and writes role-playing activity on the board.
Now, let's do a role-playing activity. I'll pretend to be a shopkeeper, and you'll be a customer buying groceries. Ready?
I'll try, sir.
Hello! Welcome to my shop. How can I help you today?
Hello, sir. I want to buy some apples and milk.
Sure. How many apples would you like?
I would like 6 apples, please.
All right. Anything else?
Yes, I also need a packet of milk.
Here you go. That will be 200 taka, please.
Here is 200 taka. Thank you.
Well done, Fatima. That was very good. Role-playing is a fun way to practice conversations you might have in real life. Now, let's discuss something interesting, traveling. Have you ever traveled to a new place, Fatima?
Yes, sir. Last year, I went to Cox's Bazar with my family.
That's wonderful. Tell me more. What did you see there?
We saw the long beach and the beautiful blue ocean. I also collected seashells and played with my cousins.
That sounds amazing. How did you feel when you were there?
I felt so happy and free, sir. It was a trip I'll never forget.
That's all for today, Fatima. For your homework, I want you to write a dialogue between 2 friends about their favorite hobbies. Be as creative as you can.
I'll do that, sir. Thank you for making learning so much fun.
You're welcome, Fatima. Remember, practice every day, and soon you'll be speaking fluently.